Okay, so we have 6 centimeter there, and then that's the diameter, the radius for the cycle 1, and then we have a diameter that for cycle 2, which is the radius of cycle 1, and the radius of cycle 2 is the diameter for cycle 3. And then we have the second cycle, that's the second cycle, third cycle, that's the third cycle, and then geometric pattern, that's the equation based on geometric pattern. So write down the radius of the third cycle 1. Radius 1 is going to be 6 centimeter. Cycle 2, we have diameter there, which is 6 centimeter for cycle 2, and then that means that the radius is half diameter, so that would be 6 divided by 2, giving us 3 centimeter. Cycle 3, which is going to be 3 divided by 2, which is radius 3, that's centimeter, so that's radius 3. That's our answer, 3/2. And then we go to 3.2, calculate the sum of the area of the first 10 cycles. So let us see area, pi times radius squared. Cycle 1 has pi and the radius is going to be 6 squared, so 6 squared gives us 36, so that's 36 pi. Cycle 2, our radius is 3, so that's going to be 3 squared, and that's going to be 9 pi. 3 squared is 9. Cycle 3, that's pi, and then that's 3/2, that's our radius squared, and that is going to be 9/4 pi. Then we need to find the ratio, so that's T2/T1, that's going to be 9 pi over 36 pi, and then the pi cancels out, so we have 1/36, so that's going to be 36 divided by 9, so that's 4, so 36 divided by 9 is 4, it's 1/4, because 9 into 9 is 1, 9 into 36 is 4, and our first term is 36 pi, so that is our A. So we have 36 pi, our A, and now we have to calculate sum of n, which is going to be A bracket Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. So R to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So A is 36 pi all over, our ratio is 1/4. Okay, so our ratio is going to be 1/4 to the power 10, okay, to the power 10, so that's for 10 and then minus 1 all over 1/4 minus 1, and that gives us sum of 10. So sum of 10 is going to be, use our calculator there, so it's 1 divided by 4 to the power 10 minus 1 multiplied by 36 pi, that's going to be negative 113.0972277 all over 3/4. So that's 3/4, so that's going to be negative 3/4. So that's 1 divided by a quarter minus 1, that's negative 3/4. So divide that, so it's negative 113.0972277 divided by negative 3/4, that's 150.79, so it's 150.80. So that's the sum of, so that's going to be centimeter squared. So that's our answer. The third question, we need to find the cycle, that's 3/128. I think I made a mistake there. Okay, that's cycle 1, and and then that's our diameter there, and the diameter for that, and then that's diameter, that's the 3, the diameter. And then the cycles, which cycle has a diameter of 3/128, so it's 12 centimeter. And then diameter for the second one is going to be 6 centimeter. Diameter for the third is going to be D3, and that's 3 centimeters. So from there we can conclude that 4 is going to be D4, and that's going to be 3/2 centimeters. So we can conclude that we have R there, that's 6 divided by 12 in terms of diameter. So that's going to be 1 divided by 2 centimeter. Now we need to find A. So our A there is half. I mean our ratio is our A there is 12 centimeter, and the ratio is half. So Tn is A Rn minus 1. And then okay, so that's 128, not 123. So it's 3/128. So we cancel that out. Okay, so it's 3/128 is equals to our A there is going to be 12, our R is 1/2, and we have N minus 1. So that gives us 3/128 divided by, we divide that by 12, and then we get half to the power N minus 1. So using a calculation, 3 divided by 128 divide all that bracket divide by 12 is going to be 1/512. So it's going to be 1/512, and then that is going to be 1/2 to the power N minus 1. So we have to find out that's going to be 1/2 1/2 to the power 8, that's 156. 1/2 to the power 9 is 512. So that is 1/2 to the power 9 is equals to 1/2 bracket N minus 1. So the bases are the same, the exponents has to be the same. So we have N minus 1 is equals to 9, and then N is going to be 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so that's the 10th cycle. That's our final answer. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, subscribe. This is Chucha Black Adam. Thank you.